Hi, welcome to JFrog DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to installation of JFrog, minimum requirements to installation of JFrog operating system, and these the minimum requirements like Java installation, PostgreSQL, DB create. So to know about more general system requirements, go to here and you will get the information like network requirements, Java, and network requirements ports like 8081, 8092 and 8045, 8016, and how to installation of JFrog. For that, this is the official website JFrog, and here you can check the developers in the community. Click on it, see downloads. Here you can check get code sources and click on it, and these are all the versions. This is the latest version 7.104. If you click on it, you will choose which OS you have to install it. Click on it. Just you can copy the link and create the directory like mkdir JFrog. So you can follow my procedure, same what I explained, like that only. Then you will get the output. I am explaining about beginners, and you can enter it by using tar-xvzf, and if it is not installed, just you can install apt install tar-y. It will installed. I already installed. So now you can enter it by using tar-xvzf. So it is time taken, and once it is enter it, just you can install the Java by using sudo apt install Java. I will keep this commands in the description. Please go through it. Copy cp space system.basic template.yaml into system.yaml. Don't forget, just system.basic-template.yaml. You can change the name system.yaml. If you check ls system.yaml, now we can provide the owner permissions ch1-r JFrog and check the owner permissions by using ll. Now it has JFrog owner permission to the JFrog directory. And update sudo apt update, and we have to install PostgreSQL like sudo apt install. This is the database. It will store all the user information data and everything it has in the configuration. I already installed sudo apt install PostgreSQL -contrib-y. I'll give these commands in the description. Please go through it. Now you can start the PostgreSQL by using service PostgreSQL start. And now check the status. And system enable PostgreSQL. Then you have to check the status. Now PostgreSQL successfully running. Now you can try to log in sudo-i-u PostgreSQL PSQL. Now you are in Postgres database. Now we have to create the user and database, and also we have to provide the security like password. You can run this command sudo-i-u Postgres PSQL. Now you directly come to the PostgreSQL and create user. The username is Artifactory with password @123, and create database. The database name is Artifactory. Owner is Artifactory, and I provide the privileged permission to the particular Artifactory directory and database. Grant all privileges on database Artifactory to Artifactory, and finally you can use /q. You can come out. Once if you run that command, you can come out. Now you can check /l, it will give the list of artifactories, and user owner artifactory, and database is Postgres. Now you can come out /q, it will come out the root directory. Now you can try to check the connection is established or not by using PSQL-h localhost-u artifactory-d artifactory. And now in the root user sudo nano /etc PostgreSQL, in the main PostgreSQL.config, and if you scroll down here, listen underscore address is equal to localhost. Initially it has like hash only uncommented, just you can remove that one, and it looks like listen underscore address is equal to localhost. Now save by using Ctrl X and Y, you can save and come out. So syntax looks like listen underscore address, same like this, and save and come out. Now you can restart the PostgreSQL by systemctl restart PostgreSQL, and now check the status, it's running state. And now you can go to the artifactory like JFrog ls, in the artifactory where ls, and check and go to the etc directory. Here you have to configure like the path is /opt JFrog Artifactory /var etc, and here you have to system.yaml, already we changed the name system.yaml, vi system.yaml, and if you scroll down here in the database, under the database you have to configure like username and password, type, driver, URL, and you have to provide this information like type is equal to PostgreSQL, drive is equal to r.postgresql.drive, and URL adbc PostgreSQL localhost, username and password you can provide it, and save and come out. Now you can try to check the connection is established in PSQL-h localhost-u artifactory-d, that is directory. Now you are in the artifactory user login. This is the database user, don't forget it. So we need to check like artifactory will connection is established between the Linux and artifactory user in the database. Now come out by /q. Now I am root. Now go to the path like /opt JFrog Artifactory /apps /bin. Now check the artifactory.sh, it has /artifactory.sh start. Now JFrog is started. Now you can check status, all are running, like router is running, metadata is running, event is running, and take the public IP and give the port name is 8082. So it takes time to come JFrog, and give username is admin and password is password. username is admin and password is password. Now username is admin and password is password. Login. Get started, click on it and give the new password. In my case I will give the password one capital letter and remaining small letters @123, at least one digit lowercase and at least 8 characteristics. So I will provide the password like this, password @123, or you can choose whatever it is. For my case I choose JFrog. J is capital @123 and J is capital frog @123. You can provide password same pattern like this only. And next, so after change the password, you have to provide the password admin and password name is JFrog @123. Now you can set the URL. And you have to provide the URL JFrog URL. So why I am getting this issue? You have to provide the path where you have to open the port like your IP and 8082. JFrog URL you have to provide it. And next, skip Maven, next, finish. This is the way of installation of JFrog. If you have any queries, please in the comment section. Thanks for watching.